we are going to create a link that can connect to our messenger and trigger an auto reply. We will create this link in our closing pilot chatbot. When we release it, our users will click on this link, and it will take them directly to our chatbot. First, we can go to this bot manager and select our fan page. Then, here, we choose Messenger Engagement. In this m.me link section, click on Flow Builder. Here, we can create our connection. In the Action section, we don't need to make changes. It's already selected Messenger Engagement plugin. The second option, m.me link, is also already selected, and the only thing we need to change is the reference below. As for the middle part, you can personalize it according to your preferences. Usually, we directly go to the reference section below and input a reference for ourselves. After inputting it, click Done. Then, we start creating our reply flow. This reply flow is what will pop up when our users click on this link and jump to our message. First, I'll give this reply flow a name. Double-click and input a title on the right side, which will be used as a reference. After inputting the title, click Done. Now, I can click Next. After dragging out a line, I can input content on this side. For this demo, I'll simply set up a text. If you want to continue and add other content, you can do so. The settings here are the same as when we usually create auto replies. You can add images, buttons, and more. If you want to add a button, for example, click on Button. Then double-click, and on the right side, you can either choose to link to the next set of reply combinations, or directly choose an existing postback. This way, you can select the reply content you've already prepared. For this demonstration, I'll simply set up a text. After inputting it, click Save in the upper right corner to create it. After creating it, in our Messenger engagement, click on our ME list. The ME lists we've created will be listed here. If you want to make modifications later, you can also click on this action to go back to our reply combinations. If we want to get the connection link, I can click on this JS code. Inside, I'll click on m.me link to get this connection. Then click Copy in the upper right corner. This way, I've copied my link. And after that, you can send this link to your users or include it in your post. Now, if our users click on this link, they will directly jump to the inbox, and our auto reply setup will automatically pop up. This is where the video ends. See you in the next video.